Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to be installing the winch. I've already started installing it, as you can see there. So I'll show you the video of me getting that all bolted up and everything mounted to the bumper. And then we're also going to be doing the install for the wiring to get it live. Stay tuned. Okay, ladies and gents, look what came today. So we're gonna open this bad boy up. This is the new winch for the TJ. This thing is heavy. Yeah, it is. So this is the, let's go back to this. They have two different models. I thought I ordered the steel hook or steel wind series, but this is the 9500. Pretty sure that's not the right model, but it's on this side. Steel cable is the one we ordered. So instructions, ground, actually power cord. Put all those back in there so you don't scratch up the remote. Steel cable one. It's huge. I think it's massive. Let's go hook this up. Oh man, it's gonna get real. Got this 9,500 pound winch. It's going on that monster right there. Okay, so today we are going to mount this Rough Country Pro Series 9,500 pound winch right there. Just like that. There's a roller so you can pull on it. Once you go through there.
It didn't weigh as much as I thought it was going to weigh.
It didn't push down the front as much.
6 bolts. Mounts this up. Wiring will take a little longer because we actually have to run the wire underneath this one because it won't go through the grill. It needs to go up underneath and come up. We're gonna put the relay and everything all up underneath the hood on this side, driver's side. And of course we got the winch control plugged in right over here, so when we get into sticky situations, we can get our rig out. Okay, so we got the winch all mounted up. Apologize, I lost my cameraman for the day. He had to go to work. So let me kind of walk you through on how we finished setting all this up here. So as you saw at the beginning, we had the 2 bolts here. One here for the roller guard here. We had to hook this all up for the forge clip. Now, you can't see it, but down here, on each 4 of these corners, there were bolts that went underneath there. And if you crawl up underneath here, you'll see bolt there, bolt there. Now, if you start working on this, you're gonna see you got a problem there. It's really hard to get it in there. So I had to lift the winch back off, put the bolts in, and then set the winch back down to get to these 2 sections here. Probably a lot easier if you just pull the front bumper, but I wasn't pulling it all back off. So as you can see, just 4 bolts, 2 bolts for the roller guard. She is mounted. We did use the lock washers that came with it, and then we put a little bit of red Loctite just for safety precautions on there. So we still do have to run the wire. That's going to be in a different day, but we'll add that to the same video. So we'll do the wiring for it, and that's going to tuck up underneath the front here, and it's going to go into the driver's side area. We got a little extra room over here. I'm going to put the relay and everything, and we're going to put the control mount inside there as well too, which is going to tie into this. So all we have to do is open up the hood and pull it out. We got to take that. It's going to have to go up underneath because of the grill. We're going to bring it up behind here and run along this channel here. And we also have our ground wire, which also needs to run the same way. And we're going to bolt them right to the terminals on the battery. Let's get started. I didn't time lapse me hooking the 1 wires up and getting all these ran. I apologize. So we are going to finish this up, getting this zip tied. I'm not sure what this wire is for. Some of this was already here from the previous owner, so we're going to go through and clean some of that up too. But here's the power wire for the winch onto there. Ground wire for it, all come down to the bottom, up underneath. But we still got this one here, which is the ground wire, which is actually up underneath the motor. So we're going to start working on that. Got the wire mounted. We're gonna zip tie these cables out of the way, kind of dress this up to make it look a little bit nicer. Probably zip tie them down there. Get them tucked away so they're nice. And let's give it a try. Let's get that remote. Okay, so winch is hooked up. Got this power. Let's give it a try. Awesome. Sweet. Snugged it up like we wanted. So, job complete, ready to go. We're gonna go test this out on a couple things and see how well it works, and we'll actually do a review of that. But this is the Rough Country 9,500 pound steel cable winch. This here gives you the layout for the layers as it unwinds and how much pounds you can pull. So one layer of it's gonna be 9,500 pounds, 2 layers 7,700, 3 layers 6,500, and then 4 layers is 5,700. Still overkill for what this Jeep will ever need, but we want to be more safe than sorry. But from what I've been seeing on the reviews, this is supposed to be one of the best winches out there for the budget and price. So yeah, I think it came out good. Very simple install, and just about anybody can do this. But as you can see from the power wire, I did jump the gun. I was a little excited when it came in because I wanted to see it on the bumper. I did already mount it. That bolt's right up underneath. You can see where the ground bolt is. That was a little bit of a challenge to get to, but we got it. So I really hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I'm trying to do some tutorials. I'm trying to do some do-it-yourselfers as far as different step-by-steps of what to do. Some product reviews. I'm kind of tying it all into one. I'm trying to see what's going to work best for everything. So if you guys have any comments, feedback, I encourage it. Leave some information down below in the description. Sorry. Also, we do have our EP merch page that is up down below for some of the t-shirts, leggings, that kind of stuff. And we have more that we're actually in the process of designing. And we actually have an artist that is working with a new logo for us for EP. So hope you guys like the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell to get up-to-date information once we start posting. And see you next time.